You know, a part that I'm very excited to show you the new DJI Mini 3 Pro, I'm also very excited because I've never shown you my summer house. This is where I spent the entire summer every single year. Okay, first thing that you gotta know about this little guy is that it's only 249 grams. This thing feels so incredibly light, which means if you're traveling, you can stress less because it's technically police friendly.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every lugger fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once.
All right, don't mind if I do, but we're actually on a pretty hot day hike. So don't mind if I do. Hey Siri, start a hike workout. Okay, there we go. We gotta get those activity rings rolling, right? You have to. We gotta get down there. Okay. Something else that is new is that the gimbal can now go vertical, so it's perfect for Instagram stories, Instagram reels, TikToks. Here's one that I actually just did. It's great because you don't lose any quality, so the sensor is itself. So honestly, the craziest part about this drone is the quality of the actual camera. So for such a tiny drone, we're actually getting 4K at 60 frames per second, which is insane. I mean, we're living on an age that this thing that literally fits in my pocket literally shoots cinema quality looking video. 48 megapixel camera as well for stills. So it's awesome. I mean, you can also shoot vertical, as I said. So honestly, my favorite feature about this tiny little guy is this thing. I mean, it's technically a feature, right? The battery. We get 34 minutes. Now, something that I hated about previous DJI drones is that there was a specific order for you to unfold and fold, but with this thing, you can unfold it like there's no order. It just opens. It just always opens. Now, has this drone reached perfection? Well, no, not at all. There's a couple things that I don't like about it. First, main thing that is a negative thing, also a positive thing, is the material of this thing, right? So it's 249 grams, so they had to make a really plasticky material, and that's what I don't like about it. I don't like that it feels like a toy, which in some occasions, in terms of police, if police sees you, you can be like, it's just a toy, right? I don't know. I believe there's lightweight materials that feel more premium than this thing. Now, if DJI does something very well, is how easy drones are to fly now. I mean, anybody can pick up a DJI drone because of how easy it is to use, and there's actually advancements for that. So let's talk sensors. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has 3 directional sensors. There's 2 sensors in the top, sensors on the bottom, sensors on the back. So if you go flying and a tree passes by, you will not crash into the tree. Now, the previous DJI Mini, when there was wind, it just flew away. It could not stand wind. And this thing also has wind improvement. All right, so here's a quick wind test. I'm getting a wind alert. I'm currently, as you guys can see, on the top of a mountain in Montserrat. Look at this. Okay, we're getting extremely wind. I'm actually getting a wind alert on my iPhone. I mean, not an iPhone, the remote. Look at that, look at that. Okay, we gotta be careful. So as you can see, it's not being flown away, but my guess, since this thing is so incredibly light, if there's a lot of wind like now, I know this is a really extreme condition, but still, you're gonna get shaky shots still with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Something that definitely surprised me was the new DJI Rc. We get this built-in remote controller with a display built in, so we don't need to mount our iPhones, which was a pain in the couple of things to notice is that this remote control is only compatible with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So if you got a DJI, the Mavic or whatever, it will not be compatible. Let me know what you guys think of the new DJI Mini 3 Pro in the comments below. I absolutely love it. Little, powerful, tiny little drone. I'm gonna take it everywhere. Thank you for watching. Be happy. Life is good, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming.